Hey guys, how everybody doing? We're in Sugarland doing a double set of doors. And you can see they're 3-pane doors. They're double French with a single pane. We got both of them to do today to wrap up. I wanted to show this real quick on why I choose, and I've been asked why I choose Provia doors to sell. You know, what makes Provia so much different than everybody else, and what makes them in my opinion, better than everybody else and all the other vendors out there. The reason is when we order the sorry, I got a phone call. Every door that we order comes this way. It comes crated like this individually. Even though that this is obviously a humongous door, it's 112 inches by 6'8". Even though it's like that, even the single doors come on their own pallet, their own box, their own wrap, all that. So, and I say that for the simple fact that what you're getting with Provia is definitely a higher quality. It's made to order, made for you, and they take that care into that door. They take the care into the packing of it, to ship it down here to us. All the way around, Provia, in my opinion, is definitely the way to go. If you're looking for Provia, you want to know more about it, give us a call and we'll come out and show you what options they have. Real quick, they do offer a lifetime warranty on their doors. If anything happens to the door, then they replace it, and it stays with the house. It stays with the homeowner. If you sell the house, and then it stays there as well. So like I said, if you would, give me a call whenever you're all ready. Thanks. Bye.